The sourdough sidekick makes it easy to prep your starter for baking bread, but the next question you immediately run into if you're a new baker like me is, how do you know when it's properly proofed? So like many of you, I've been following along with the sourdough sidekick, and I've been enjoying a lot of great loaves of bread that have been made with it, but believe it or not, until last week, I had personally never made sourdough before. So I decided to give it a try for the first time. I used the sourdough sidekick, and that was really easy to get my starter ready. But then I immediately learned that there was another kind of question I needed to answer, is how do I know when it's properly proofed? So I did a lot of reading and saw that there was lots of different indicators, and recipes talked about different ways to know if a bread was properly proofed. So in order to help me gain some confidence and understand when it was ready, I decided to leverage some sensors that we had used in developing the sidekick to monitor the dough during bulk fermentation to help to indicate to me whether it was properly proofed. So I used this King Arthur crock just because that fit the dough that I needed, and it was something that we had already put together for development of the sidekick, and monitored things like the dough temperature, the ambient temperature, and the percent rise in order to use those to give me some confidence of when my bread would be properly proofed and when to put it into the refrigerator. So some of the sourdough recipes already tell you the ideal percent rise for a given temperature, and in those cases, this data really correlates almost immediately to how you can know if your bread's properly proofed. If you have a recipe that's a little bit more vague, you can still collect that data and use kind of other visual traditional indicators, but then you can correlate that back, and then you have a repeatable way to know when it's properly proofed based on the data moving forward. I know for me, this helped a lot. Seeing that data in real time gave me some confidence that I could really understand what was going on with the dough, and I would result in a loaf that was properly proofed. What I'd like to know is, how do you guys determine when it's ready to end bulk fermentation? Is it just experience, or do you have your own tricks? And how do you fit the scheduling of fermentation and the folds and all the different aspects of dough making into your schedule when you're making sourdough bread over the course of a week? So my question for the more experienced bakers out there is, do you think this would be useful over the long term? I know for me as a newbie, this was really helpful and gained confidence, but is this data something that would be valuable for someone who's been baking for a longer time? So leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of this prototype. Let me know how you know when your bread is proofed, and stay tuned for the next update video.